In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down element in Bubble.io. This tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring you can create a seamless drop-down menu for your application with ease. So, let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and type Bubble.io into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you should see the main website for Bubble.io in your search results. Click on that link to navigate directly to the Bubble.io homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already a Bubble.io user, you'll need to sign up, but for today's purposes, we'll assume you already have an account ready to go. With your login complete, you'll find yourself on the Bubble.io dashboard. The next step is to head over to your app's design editor. You'll find the Design Editor interface by selecting your app from the list and then clicking on the Design tab. This is where the magic happens. From here, you can add, remove, and modify various elements within your application. Now, let's focus on adding that drop-down element. You'll want to look at the Elements tree, which is usually on the left-hand side of your design interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. Under the category of Input Forms, you'll find the drop-down element. This is the component that allows users to make a selection from a list of options. Click and drag this element directly onto your page. It's a simple drag-and-drop action, just like moving files on your desktop. Once you've positioned the drop-down where you want it, make sure it's selected. You'll notice a Property Editor panel opens on the right side of your screen. This is where you can fine-tune your drop-down settings. In the Property Editor, look for the Choices style menu. You'll have an array of options here, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on using static choices. This feature allows you to manually enter the list of options that will appear in your drop-down menu. Now, it's time to add those choices. Within the Choices field, type each of your selections on a new line. For example, if you're creating a color selector, you might enter red, press Enter, followed by green, and then blue. Be sure to press Enter after each option to ensure they're listed correctly. This builds a clear and intuitive drop-down menu for your users to engage with. And there you have it. Your drop-down element is now ready to use within your Bubble.io application. This technique is straightforward yet powerful, giving you the flexibility to customize your application to better fit your needs or the needs of your audience. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out other videos and guides to continue enhancing your Bubble.io skills.